do something like this for my country. So just waiting with a lot of patience, a lot of inner work, lot of training, lot of practice. I think, yeah, so definitely I should be very grateful, but I kind of feel that we have one more step to go. If we do that, then I think all the work, everything was worth it. So I feel that one more inning should be really good. And yes, I think last innings definitely played a good role in this innings as well. So I know that I was timing the ball really well. I was taking good decisions. I thought if you are in form, you should definitely contribute for your team in this game as well. So that's how I prepared for today, and things came on very nicely today.
Sanju, the last 9 months were really difficult for you. You were moved down the batting order, and then you came up again in New Zealand series, and then there was pressure on you. The runs didn't come. Initially for the World Cup, you didn't make it to the playing 11. Finally, you did get your chance. So during that really difficult time, how did you stay motivated? Because in cricket, the chances don't come really that easily.
Yes, I think that was very, very challenging for me. I think I definitely wanted to come and do what I'm trying to do now for the country, contribute and win games in the World Cup. But I think I was trying a bit too much in the New Zealand series. I wanted to make an impact and get into the 11 of the World Cup here. But I think this format. I think this cricket can get very funny. Even the best in the world actually struggle to score runs in this format. So I think I had to respect the game. I had to come back to my basics, work a bit more from my basic. I think a lot of work did go really well. I think when hard times were coming, I think my close people, the people whom I love, whom I support, they were with me, and I closed all my windows. I shut down my phone. I was not in social media. I'm still not in social media. So less noise, less people interacting with me. So I think that really helped me to focus on the right direction, and I'm very happy how I'm going.
Sanju, congrats. You spoke about insecurities creeping in, self-doubts creeping in Kolkata. What is the difference in terms of your approach? Because there you were chasing, the target, what you had to do. Here, do you factor a lot of variables coming in? How did you approach that? And you're finally going to be playing in a T20 World Cup final. You missed out last time. What that means?
Yeah, it means really one of the best moments in my life is happening. So I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, I think I've been playing this format for a very long time. I played around 300 or 400 T20s. So I played from top 1 to 6. So I have captained a franchise. So I kind of have the experience of knowing what does a team demand at the moment and what is the exact role of myself in this 11. So I think that clarity definitely helps you to score runs the way you want to. And last match was all about, I think, taking the team along. I think as soon as we built a momentum, I think wickets were falling in the last game. So I had to finish it off till the last ball. But this game was completely different. When you're batting first in Wankhede, you know that no score is enough here. So I just wanted to, after I got a start, I wanted to capitalize on as many as 6s or 4s I could possibly hit for the team.
संजू पिछले 2 इनिंग्स जो आपने खेली ऑलमोस्ट 100 दोनों में मिस किए, लेकिन दिल्ली में जो पारी आपकी बड़ी छोटी सी पारी थी, आपका एक्चुअली पूरा वर्ल्ड कप दांव पे लगा हुआ था, वहाँ पर छोटा सा कैमियो खेला, उसकी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस थी? क्योंकि आप तब भी अटैकिंग खेल रहे थे, फिर उसके बाद भी एक छोटी पारी रही अगले मैच में, वो भी छोटी थी. बर्डन इतने दिनों से संजू सैमसन पे जो उम्मीदों का भार 10-15 साल से चल रहा है, अब लग रहा है वो खत्म हो गया, हल्का फील कर रहा हूँ.
मिल भाई 2 सेंचुरी मिस नहीं हुआ है, एक 97 और 89 क्या बना है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. नहीं, आई एम वेरी 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 ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. सो चल रहा है भी, लाइक आपने देखा है मेरा गेम बहुत साल से फॉलो किया होगा आपने, कि मैं अगर मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है तो आई ट्राई टू गिव अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट फॉर माई टीम. आजकल आपको पता है कि पावर प्ले में ही मैच बनता और बिगड़ता है. सो एज सुन एज यू गेट 3-4 बॉल आपने देख लिया तो फिर आप ट्राई टू अटैक ही करते हैं, जैसे अभिषेक करते आ रहे हैं इतने मैचों से, ईशान कर रहा है और मैं कर रहा हूँ. तो टॉप 3 इज ऑल अबाउट गोइंग एंड एक्सप्लोडिंग इन द पावर प्ले. तो समटाइम्स यू एक्चुअली एंड अप ऑन द negative side of the result. Sometimes you do this, actually you can't but change your character or change the game plan, because we are batting till number 8 और बैटिंग बहुत नीचे है. तो टीम की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से आप खेलने की कोशिश करो. आपका दिन है तो आप पूरा ले जाओ, नहीं तो दूसरों को सपोर्ट करो.
हल्का फील कर रहा है, बर्डन चल रहा है.
एक और मैच फिर बहुत हल्का फील करो.
संजू, आज 499 रन लगे पर जीत का मार्जिन सिर्फ 7 रन था. आपने जब बैटिंग से अपना काम किया, उसके बाद जब कीपिंग कर रहे थे, जब वो डिफरेंट व्यू आता है और इतनी जब बीच में जेकब बेथल मार रहे थे, तो आप कैसे रीड कर रहे थे उस टाइम गेम सिचुएशन, और क्या लगा उस टाइम की गेम कहाँ स्लिप हो सकता है या स्लिप हुआ प्रॉबेबली कि मार्जिन इतना कम रहा, और थोड़ा कंडीशंस को अगर आप सम अप कर पाओ कैसी थी आज?
हाँ पता नहीं यार, T20 क्रिकेट कहीं और ही जा रहा है, मेरे को पता ही नहीं चल रहा। लाइक आप पहले पावर प्ले में 3 विकेट गिरा तो दे वर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग टू कम हार्ड एट अस एंड देन वी गॉट 3 विकेट्स इन द पावर प्ले। देन आई थॉट ओके यार थोड़ा गेम आ गया हमारे पास, बट द वे Bethel batted and the partnership which they had, I kind of felt यार no, it's still possible. They needed 13 runs per an over. They were getting 2 boundaries every over. It was very easy for them at the middle stage, but the way our bowlers came back, I think the quality which we have in Arshdeep, in Hardik and Bumrah, तो आप जानते ही हो, I think he is a once in a generation bowler which we are very lucky to have. I think the way he bowled those 6 Yorkers in line, I think then you have kind of a confidence रहता है, नहीं यार बुमराह का एक बचा है और अर्शदीप का एक बचा है, डाल देगा, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस था. बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू द इंग्लैंड बैटर्स ऑल्सो, द वे दे केम अप, द वे दे एक्चुअली studied the condition